PNP and CRPO Chief Marcelo Garbo is determined to push for a considerable reduction in the crime rate in Metro Manila. To achieve such goal, the anti-crime campaign not only targets low offenders but police officers who fail in their jobs as well. Alvin Baltazar reports.
Expect some police officials in Manila, particularly station commanders, to be relieved in the next coming days, specifically those who are assigned in areas earlier dubbed by the NCRPO as hot spots or crime-prone areas. According to NCRPO Director Chief Superintendent Marcelo Garbo, the evaluation on the performance of the concerned officials has been submitted to him already, as well as the recommendation on who must be replaced for failing to reduce the number of crimes in their respective areas of responsibility.
They submitted their findings, their recommendations. In due time, siguro maraming maririlit sa mga pulis nyo. Magbabawasan na naman tayo. Pupunta naman sila sa balik sa kampo program. And maybe, on the second year, yung direct supervisor ang real dito. Hanggat hindi natin ma-perfecto, siguro aabot tayo sa station commander or chief of police.
The NCRPO leadership is decided to get the 50% crime reduction rate, especially on their priority areas categorized as hotspots that include Baclaran in Pasay City, Monumento in Caloocan, University in Manila, Cubao in Quezon City, and Calantong in Mandaluyong. Garbo said that they will not stop from doing all possible means in order for them to achieve their target in reducing the number of crimes in the 5 hotspot areas.
Our direction would be to perfect this kind of program. Ito na yung tama.
Meanwhile, Mandaluyong government offered to provide the NCRPO all shots of their CCTV as their way of extending their support in the anti-criminality campaign of the Metro Manila Police Office.
Siguro ang access sa CCTV namin, ibibigay na rin namin sa region. Lalo na sa mga areas na talagang critical para sa inyo. I'm talking of EDSA, talking of Shaw Boulevard. Isi-share namin lahat ito.
For the People's Television, Alvin Baltazar.